Hey everyone! So today I am doing a collab with Tammy Anderson. She is a great artist. She does it all, resin, acrylic pouring, all kinds of stuff. So today I'm going to be doing 4 6-inch tiles with our airbrush, and they're going to be little mini Dutch pours. She picked 2 colors for the, two tiles with colors, and I picked the other 2. So I'm going to start with hers. I did send her our Parage Posse paints, so we're both using the same paints, and we'll see what kind of effects we get. So on Tammy's first tile, she picked Sleeping Beauty Turquoise, Allen's Red Shimmer, Moody Blue, and Silver Spoon. And I already have my white mixed up, so I'm going to pour some of this on my tile. So we're only using the airbrush. She had just gotten her airbrush, so I think it's cute that we're doing a collab together. So I'm just going to move that around. I don't care how messy I get. I have it on my turntable, so I don't have to pick the tile up to use the airbrush. I want to get a little more of that white off of there. Okay. Now I did clean the tile with alcohol first so that my paint sticks well. And I did wear gloves the entire time, so I didn't put any oils from my hands on them. Okay. So, let's see. Let's start with Allen's Red Shimmer. We're not going to need a lot of paint for these. They're little. And then I'm going to do the Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. And a little bit of Payne's Gray here. And Silver Spoon. These are all my custom paints, so we should see how this comes out. I have them really on the thin runny side. Okay, so I need to put a little bit of that white in a cup so I can pour around. Okay. I don't have a lot of workspace with all these cups of paint sitting around here. Alright, so I'm just going to go around a little bit. Already getting a reaction with that Silver Spoon. And we're going to get out the airbrush. Now this airbrush is available in my Amazon shop, and that link is below the video. Okay, let's blow it out. There's Allen's Red. Not seeing any silver though. I think it's sunk. Let's see, do I want to change anything? Actually, the silver is right in here. I can see it. Let me torch that and see what happens. We have no silicone in any of these paints. I think I'm happy with that one right there. So I'm going to set this one aside. And I'm going to bring number 2 in. I'm just going to wipe this off just a little bit so we're not quite so messy. I'm prepared today. Okay, so number 2. So on this one, let me move these paints out of the way because they've already been used. We tried not to double up on colors, so we should be okay. Alright, so on tile number 2, she picked Military Green, Copper Penny, Carolina Blue, Make sure that's my Carolina. Yep. And Deep Lagoon. So we have those 4 colors there. I'll put these here because we're going to use them. All right, let me get some white down. So we are doing 4. And then I'll probably, after these cure for about 3 weeks or so, I'll probably resin them. Okay. Torch the bubbles out. You want to be careful you don't burn your plastic. I have that press and seal on here so my turntable doesn't get really dirty. Okay, I'm going to start with the Deep Lagoon. And then I'm going to do the copper. And then the Carolina blue. Well, let's do the military green first. I really want that blue to show up. And I will use use up these paints for sure on a different video. I think I want a little more copper on top of that. Okay. I'll go around it. Okay. Alright, let's blow it out. Oh, that's pretty. Now you could use a straw for this too. You don't have to have an airbrush. But as a collab, we decided to use our airbrushes. I'll take some more of this out. I want that copper in there. Let's torch that. A lot of cells. And that's, of course, from the white paint. I just want to hit this little spot here. Alright, let's leave that one alone. Let me show you up close. Oops. I'm going to move that one aside. Hope it doesn't drip down into my paints. Alright, so let me wipe that off. Alright, tile number 3. And now we're going to use my color selections. So my first tile is Galaxy Blue. Let me move these over here. I don't want to grab something I've already used. Okay, so mine is Galaxy Blue. Mirage Posse Purple. I was hiding behind my white. The Gold Rush. And the Bubblegum. Now, if you love these colors of paint, I have them available for purchase. You can get the ready to pour, or you can get them in the jars and mix your own. Join the Mirage Posse group on Facebook for more information, or you can email me at Christina Welch Art at yahoo.com. this one on. And these, of course, are all taped on the back. So when I resin them, they'll go right from here to curing, and then they'll get a light alcohol wipe, and then they'll be resined. Okay. Let me torch that one. Alright. So I'm going to go with the Galaxy Blue first. And then I'm going to go with the bubble gum. Put that over there. And the Barrage Posse Purple. And then, of course, my beautiful Gold Rush. I love this color. So we have 12 colors plus 4 metallics. Let's see if I won't put quite so much on there. Okay. Let's blow that one in. Alright, I like the center in that one. And big bubble there. This one's very colorful. Don't want to lose those ends though. Sorry about my constant throat problem here. It's allergies. Fall is here. This one's going to dry beautiful with that gold in there. So I can give you a close-up on that one. Alright, one more. One more beauty. And then I will bring all 4 of them together and you'll be able to see them all together. Lots of paint left over. I can do some Dutch pours. It was not fun mixing up all this paint though. Kind of took up a couple of, well, maybe 45 minutes today. Make sure I get my sides covered here. Come on, Slowpoke. We're gonna blow, so it doesn't matter. I haven't had to turn my turntable yet. Okay, let's torch that. Okay, so on my tile, this one is dark chocolate. And then chestnut bronze. Laguna, Christina's Laguna, and the Morning Pansy. So I'm going to go ahead and put that Morning Pansy around that brown. It dries like dark chocolate too. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's put some yellow through there. Maybe it'll make an appearance. And of course our chestnut bronze. I love this color. Alright, a little bit around. See if I can get this one to behave. My morning pansy's on the bottom, so this ought to be interesting. I do see it though. Okay, here we go. There's the little yellow. Oh, that's so pretty going through the middle there. I'm gonna leave that. I like that line in the middle. Let me torch it. So there's the close-up on that one. Lots of little cells, isn't there? They're actually kind of cute. So I'm gonna clean all this up and I'll bring you back and you can see them all together. I'll be right back. So there we go. All 4 of our little Dutch pours done with an airbrush. I enjoyed this collab very much, Tammy. Thank you so much for reaching out to me. I'm getting lots of little cells popping up all over the place now. And that will be the reaction from the metallics. These metallics do play very nice with white. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell for notifications. Click like and share. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of our color choices. This one is so pretty. And also check out all the links below. If you're interested in my paints, they're available through my email, ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. And also with the Parash Posse group on Facebook. That link is below as well. There's links for all kinds of things. Our Amazon shop if you want to get the airbrush, our trays, the banding wheel that I was on. Everything's in my Amazon shop. Tammy, I hope you have the best results with these color choices. I am loving these. I cannot wait to resin them. So it was a lot of fun. Thanks, hon. And enjoy those paints. So until next time, guys, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye now.